birthday, Hermez. I love you. You are the best son ever. And I'm so proud of you for being such a big grown boy. I want you to go back to a baby. But I love you super much. Have fun on your birthday. I couldn't ask for a better child. And I just love you so much. You was my baby, my everything. But yeah, I love you. Alright, bye. I love you.
Happy birthday, Hermez. Mimi love you so much. Enjoy your special day. Happy Big 8, Hermez.
And happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We're so mad that we couldn't make it there, but we wishing you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mez. Hope you have a great birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day. You're super duper smart, and you're so amazing. Never forget that. Mwah.
Mez, what's up, man? Happy birthday. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to celebrate with you. You know I got some Roblox waiting for you. I hope you enjoy your birthday. I'm so proud of you, buddy.
Happy birthday, Mez. I love you. My favorite little cousin. Even though you be always trying to fight me, I love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Mez. I love you. My favorite little cousin. Even though you be always trying to fight me, I love you. Enjoy your day.
Mez, this is Nasha.
And
Happy birthday.
happy birthday.
We're so mad that we couldn't make it there, but we wishing you a happy birthday. Love you.
Love you.
Hey Hermez, have a great day and happy birthday. I hope you really enjoyed your party. I love you so much. You're getting so big. I can't believe it. But keep doing good in school and being nice to your mommy. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Mezza. Happy birthday. From your TT Ashley and your TT Craig. We love you. Big 8. We love you so much. Sorry, TT, look a mess. Love you.
Birthday, Hermez. Can't wait to see you, man. You're going to enjoy yourself. Love you. Peace. Papa out.
Average game truck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.